Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. As you are aware, TCS has started its massive All India NQT hiring for the batch of 2026, 2025 and 2024. Now, many of the students were asking, sir, how many vacancies does TCS has for this year? Okay, as TCS hires around 40,000 graduates per year. Okay, so that is one question. And second, things which most of the students are asking, sir, how to prepare in the last 20 days. Okay, so that also I'm going to discuss in this video. This video is going to be very important. Please do watch till the end. Also, from tomorrow we are starting live classes, one shot videos. Okay, so from tomorrow. But if you comment TCS, okay, if you comment TCS, then only we are going to start with this live session from tomorrow, because see, we are going to put lot of effort, and only if it is useful for you, only if you are going to watch it. See, every week some 2 to 3 live sessions we will try to arrange it, but again I said it totally depends upon if you need it. So please comment, I'll be waiting for your comment, and then only we will start with the live classes. Okay, now, so yeah, so important topics. So what are the important topics? The pattern. So everything I have brought it for you, so please do not worry about it. I will explain you the complete things, which topic has more weightage, which topic has less weightage, how many questions generally comes from each topics. So we are going to discuss in detail. Okay, so friends, please do like the video. That is what is motivation for us to work hard and hard. From last 2 days I have not slept, and we are preparing DSA white book with 6 to 800 pages. That will be more than sufficient from you for your TCS coding exam. I mean TCS NQT. So from the coding perspective, that will be more than enough. DSA white book is getting launched. Part 1 will be launched today evening, and part 2 will be launched tomorrow. So we are working very hard for you all. Okay, so friends, see, every year generally TCS hires around 40,000 candidates. This year definitely TCS has not revealed anywhere that on their website that how much they are going to hire, but they are going to hire in more number. Even I feel that it is, it will be more than 42,000 plus. Okay, so because they are going to hire 2026, they are going to hire 2025, and they are going to hire 2024. See, one thing is very clear: from 2026 fresh graduates will be more. That means I'm just giving you one expected data. So suppose if sorry, so if suppose they are hiring around 25,000 candidates from here, then the remaining, you suppose 15 to 20,000 they will be hiring from here, but the hiring will be more, that is sure. And in 2025 year, right, so there were mass rejection. So 2025 they have not hired, and that is the reason they are going to hire more in 2026. Okay, and it might cross, that's what I'm telling, it might cross even 50,000 plus. Okay, so that is the data is not given by the company. This is my expectations, because you also know 2025 they did a mass rejection. They did not hire, hardly some 3 to 4,000 they have hired. Now they have already restructured the thing, so they are going to hire. Okay, so fine. So from one thing which you have to keep in mind, friends, now you have only 20 days left, and TCS pattern, right? So TCS pattern is not that easy. Either if you take for numerical ability, logical reasoning, verbal ability, aptitude, advanced aptitude and advanced reasoning and advanced coding, it is not that easy. So in 20 days your focus should be, I will tell you the topics, but in 20 days your focus should be on solving PYQs as much as possible. PYQs as much as possible. Okay, now see, people tell us, sir, you do the promotion of your course. No, the students who are coming to our platform for the first time, they should know how and what we are doing. If you think that it is promotion, because many of the students comes back after exam is over, sir, I did not clear, sir, tell me how can I get a job in TCS. That time I say that is not possible. Okay, so friends, previous year question, that is what we are doing. PYQ marathon classes are going on. Okay, so if you'll see, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, right? So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. Okay, aptitude PYQ, verbal ability PYQ, coding PYQ in Java, Python, C++, reasoning PYQs. Okay, mock interview also we are doing along with that. Okay, so week 1, 18th to 22nd of February, week 2, 2nd of February. So okay, so here the date is 22nd of February basically, then 1st of March to 8th of March, and then 9th of March to until the examination. So in 20 days you have to solve as much as PYQ possible, and this PYQ definitely it's the part of our TCS NQT crash course, one of the best selling course, which you can see the result also here in TCS. We have given the result like anything. Okay, that is the proven track record. Okay, so this TCS NQT crash course, and recently if you go to our posts also, so nowadays our focus is completely on your examination. Otherwise we will be keep posting if there is any kind of right. So selection is there, so he got selected in TCS digital from 2026 batch. So a lot will be like that. I don't want to get into that. Okay, so this TCS NQT crash course is definitely going to help you out. Trust me, you will never regret that. Okay, you had this courses, and as I said, DSA white book of C++, Java, Python in 3 languages. We are releasing it today. The part 1 and part 2 will be released tomorrow. Okay, already this mock test is going on, so roadmap is already there. So you do not have to worry. You can blindly get this TCS NQT crash course, because only solving PYQ is going to help you in 20 days. Nobody on this earth, not only me, nobody on this earth can make you prepare for TCS from beginning to the end, and you should also not do the mistake. Okay. Anyway, so let us see now. Some TCS exam rules are also there, but here, so okay, TCS. Oh shit. Reasoning is, where is the reasoning part? Reasoning part is number series. Reasoning is this one, right? Okay, now, so here you see, friends, the important topics which I am going to tell you, so that you have to keep in mind. See, this come ratio, proportion, percentage, data interpretation. So 3 to 4 questions will be there from data interpretation. 2 questions minimum, 2 to 3 questions will be there from percentage, around 2 questions will be there from average, 2 questions will be there from this thing, 2 questions will be there from simple and compound interest. So basically they touch all the topic. 1 to 2 questions will be there. Time speed, 1 to 2 questions will be there. Permutation, combination, probability, 1 to 2 questions will be there. Mixer allegations you can leave. Algebra, 1 questions will be there. Geometry and mensurations you can leave. Statistics, 1 to 2 questions will be there. Okay, divisibility rule, LCM and SCF comes in number system. So if you read number system, that is okay. So these are the topic where you have to have more focus, like percentage. See, if you want to solve data interpretation question, you need to solve percentage, average, profit loss, ratio, proportion. These are the very, very important topic. Okay, see, I already told you mixer allegation you might have to spend more time, which you should not do now. Okay, algebra and quadratic equation. So algebra and quadratic equation, so 1 to 2 questions will be there. So all this I have already covered in the recorded videos, quadratic equation. So, and also in the PYQs you will be getting more and more videos on this algebra, quadratic equation. So everything will be covered. Simplification and approximation, when you go for this percentage and all those things, it will automatically be taken care. Okay, so you have to put more focus on percentage, ratio, proportion, average, profit and loss. Okay, and then data interpretation, see simple and compound interest. After this you can work on this simple and compound interest, then you can work on algebra and quadratic equation, time and work, pipe and systems. So whichever topic is little easy and to fetch marks, okay, that is what you have to do in the last 20 days. You see topics, I'll just tell you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. I have not merged some of the topics like simple compound interest. I have merged here time, work, pipe and systems. I have merged here algebra and quadratic equation. I have merged here geometry and mensuration. Otherwise there will be more topics. So one topic also, if I teach you per day and then you have to practice the questions, right, you will not be able to, you will be only stuck in aptitude. You will not be able to crack TCS exam. So please be mindful that you need to cover the topics which is more important and solve questions, more and more questions based on that. Okay, because the level is not going to be easy. And one more thing which students will be always asking, that this the difficult level, advanced aptitude. So basically your advanced aptitude, so your advanced aptitude will be easier than, your normal aptitude. I mean, normal means fundamental one. Okay, so normal means fundamental aptitude. Okay, fundamental aptitude. Okay, so you do not have to. So that so many people will ask, sir, advanced aptitude, how to prepare? You prepare for fundamental, everything will get clear, because fundamental will be more advanced than your normal. Okay, so now in if you'll go to reasoning. Okay, so reasoning, coding decoding around 2 to 3 questions will be there. Letter series around 1 question will be there. Number series around 1 question. Blood relation 2 to 3 questions will be there. Direction 1 question will be there. Then syllogism 2 to 3 questions will be there. Critical reasoning 2 to 3 questions will be there. Sitting arrangement 2 to 3 questions will be there. Puzzles around 1 to 2 questions will be there. So sitting arrangement and puzzles, you have to solve as many questions as possible. But even though in exam it is very difficult to say that we will be able to solve, so you have to practice more and more questions from this one. Okay, inequalities and figure based problem. So figure based problem already I have started covering. That is open and closed dias. So open and closed dias, more number of questions will be there. Part 1 I have discussed, and part 2 I will be discussing. Okay, now so many people are also asking, sir, already this live classes you have started, right? So live classes you have started, so what if I have missed this live classes? Okay, so friends, obviously we will not start class just 10 days or 20 days before. So we started classes, from you see, like some days back. So here if you'll see, some days back, so week 1, week 2, week 3, so already we had started the classes. But if you have missed it, no problem here. What is there in that? You just go inside the content, okay, and then see live classes recording new batches. If you go inside this live classes, then aptitude, reasoning classes, coding classes, verbal ability classes, mock interview. So whatever the classes already we have done, you will be also getting the recorded videos. So that is not a problem. But this TCS NQT crash course, blindly you go for it, I'm telling you, you will never regret. Okay, now anyway, next friends, if you'll be coming going ahead, then verbal ability, definitely verbal ability ma'am is coming up with a video which will tell you the important topics. Reading comprehension, passages will be the more important, and then your jumbling of sentences, so that will be mostly asked in the examination. Okay, basic programming concept, programming, so we are already programming, so I'm not going to discuss much because my programming is very strong. Okay, so we are releasing this DSA sheet along with the classes. Okay, so DSA white book, as I promised that part 1 will be getting uploaded inside this TCS crash course, and after that the price of the course will also increase. So tomorrow please don't come and ask, so the price has increased, what is the reason? Okay, so DSA white book is going to come soon, right? Okay, so that you can expect it. Okay, next is, just a minute. Okay, now next is okay, so TCS exam rules. So no section switching, only question switching will be there. So you cannot switch between the sections. Okay, so only question switching. TCS exams will be happening at center. No negative marking. Any number of rough paper you will get on a screen calculator. So if you have some big problem, I will tell you how to use the calculator, on a screen calculator, wherever the calculations are there. But be sure that there will be some theta based question, fill in the blanks questions will be there. Section wise timer will be there. No question wise timer on a screen calculator. If you submit one coding questions, then we can go to the second one. We cannot make changes in the first coding question, sectional cutoff. Friends, TCS is hiring for Ninja, Digital and Prime, all 3 roles. For Digital and Prime, they have put here, if you'll see, right, if you'll go to their website, so already they have mentioned here Digital and Prime. But if you go down and here if you go to say, I think point number 28, so they have clearly told if you don't perform well in Digital and Prime, so so we are focusing on Prime and Digital candidate from this hiring event. However, Ninja offers will be based on the performance during the hiring process. Okay, so they will be also hiring the Ninja candidate, because this is what I wanted to tell you. Okay, then friends, okay, so few things friends I wanted to tell you. These are the class schedule which is currently happening. So today is Thursday, verbal ability class is there for 2 hours. Okay, and my classes has shifted to 8 PM. So now we have changed all the schedule. Okay, and Saturday Python PYQ Priyansi ma'am, again 2 hours class will be there. Reasoning with Pratik sir, again this marathon classes will be there. C++ PYQ with Mayank sir. Okay, and friends, few other things which I wanted to tell you. Thank you, Pratik sir. I have completed exams and most of the questions were from the crash course, and the pattern was also same as a TCS NQT crash course, waiting for the result. So this particular person had got selected also. Okay, so questions are easy to analyze only by online study for you, crash course. So courses helped, yes sir. So these questions also directly we get it from the even the memory based questions, and a student always find it useful. Okay, thank you, Pratik sir. I got selected in TCS Digital. I just wanted to say big thanks. Through my college journey, your videos really helped me updated. I got selected in TCS Ninja after the digital interview through NQT. Okay, thank you, Pratik sir. I have purchased your NQT crash course and it helped me to clearing the TCS NQT assessment. I got selected for the interview. Thanks to Pratik sir for putting so much effort. Everywhere you can see, this is all YouTube comments. It's not like from somewhere I have framed by myself. I got selected in digital. Okay, thank you for your effort. One day before I went through NQT videos and shortlisted for prime interview. My son is selected for prime. So this is what I wanted, Thank you, Pratik sir. My son is selected for prime and your videos helped my son a lot. Okay. So this gives us the inner satisfaction. I cannot read all those things. Okay, I will leave something for you. And past also you have seen the result, and all these photos I wanted to get replaced by your photo. See, you must be thinking a lot of things like, okay, why should I take the classes? Why should I take the courses? He is promoting so much. See, promotion is one thing. Definitely, if I have the courses, I have to tell a student that this is the courses I have. Otherwise, how students will come to know? But one thing I will definitely tell, friends, we past also we have given the results and we are going to give the results. Even the live classes also, we are going to start. Oh, very good, very nice girl. Okay, so live classes also we have done in the past, right? So you can see the view 111 59k, right? So 219k views. All live classes will start soon now. Okay, for all your this thing. So again, if you comment, we are going to do that. Thank you, take care, and all the very